How to open YouTube on Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your Chrome and then search for youtube.com. And that's it. You will land in the YouTube page like this. You can also use it in desktop mode by tapping on the three dot and selecting desktop site. Now in your phone you will be able to use your YouTube in desktop mode on Chrome. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.